Hello and welcome to a new video of Human Made Garden Plants. Today I'm going to cut these lemon balm up to make some propagations in water. As you can see, this one is growing in between my tiles. It's very funny. But you need a cutting scissors, of course, for the propagation. And I'm always cutting under 2 new leaves, just like this. I cut it right here, just under 2 new leaves. And this one the same, under 2 new leaves. I'm doing 4 cuttings, I think. And this one. And also this long one. I'm going to get this plant out of here, but I don't know when yet. These are the cuttings. Now I'm going to prepare these. This is my glass of water. Now I'm going to pull the leaves off at the bottom. So the bottom ones are going off because this side goes on the water. And you can make some tea out of the leaves. It's very nice tea. And also I'm going to get these ones off because otherwise it needs too much water. And it's not growing any roots. So I'm always getting those off. The bottom leaves are going in the water. And if they begin to rot, get them off. This one also the same, bottom leaves off. And this one also. So it has space to root. Also the bottom leaves in the water. This one the same, bottom leaves. And I'm going to drink some tea later on from these leaves, of course. And the last one, bottom leaves off. And I'm going to show you in a next video of this one how it's rooting and when it begins. I'm going to put this one inside my house and I'm going to make some tea now. These are the cuttings and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.